This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting at the source. Open Google Pay or Pay. Google, and sign in now. Once signed in, go straight to subscriptions or recurring payments to locate the active authorization. You need the merchant name, amount, and which card or bank is linked because that determines the next step. If you see a subscription, click its entry to expose controls. Make sure you note the renewal date. This tells you whether to cancel immediately or schedule before the next charge. Once you've identified the authorization, cancel it from the subscription details. Tap Cancel or turn off Auto-Renew and follow prompts to confirm. After cancellation, remove the linked card from Google Pay if you don't need it for other services. This prevents accidental charges. Also, open your Google account security settings and revoke third-party app access for that merchant. This removes stored permissions. If the merchant billed via Play Store, cancel there as well. Doing both, finish by confirming cancellation. Check your email and Google Pay for a confirmation message and take screenshots for proof. If charges persist after cancellation, contact your bank immediately to block the card and request a chargeback or issue a new card number. Banks can stop future billing. Make sure to monitor your next 30 to 60 days of statements for any stray charges, and if you see one, contact the merchant first. Then escalate to Google Pay support or your bank. If problems continue, use your screenshots as evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.